and sir. My name is Lilibet Robledo, 40 years old, single mother, high school graduate. I have one kid, boy, 19 years old. I live in Barangay Cabong, Buena Vista, Quezon. I had experience in Lebanon as a domestic helper. Finish contract. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 couple and 3 kids. I do household like cleaning of the house, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and marketing. And 2 years in Kuwait as a domestic helper. Finish contract. I serve 6 members of the family, 2 couple, and 4 kids. I do household like taking care of kids, ironing, marketing, cleaning of the house, washing clothes. Mommy, sir, you should hire me because I'm hardworking person, honest, fast learner, multitasking, and I will taking care of kids my own, and I can work for minimum supervision. Mommy, sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless. And I hope to see you in Hong Kong.